Hello, good morning students. Welcome back to the class. So once again we will start our exercise 2.5 and we were doing reducible equation to simplest form. Okay. So we were already we have done till question number 5. So today we will start question number 6. So what is question number 6 beta? M minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 divided by 3. So simply I have already told you, first you will check what is the variable in this question. So simply you can see m is the variable. After that you have to check if both the sides variables are given, left hand side and right hand side. So first step you will equate, you will take all the variables one side and all the constant values another side. So simply first step, take all the variable one side. So it will be m minus 1 by 2, m minus 2 by 3 you will take left hand side. So it will be plus m minus 2 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Clear? So first step you will take all the variable values one side and all the constant variable another side. Now simply nothing is given in denominator of m. So simply you can take 1. Now if the number is given in numerator upon denominator form, so what will you do? You will take the LCM of the number. So LCM of 1, 2, 3 it will be 6. So 6 divided by 1 is equal to 6 and multiply by m, so it will be 6m. Minus 2, 6 divided by 2 you will get 3 into m minus 1. Clear? Now plus 6 divided by 3 2 into m minus 2 is equal to 1. Clear? Now next step, first you will take 6m minus, open the bracket, so 3 into m it will be 3m, minus minus plus 3 1 ja 3 plus 2 into m it will be 2m, minus 2 2s are 4 and 6 you will take right hand side, so it will come in multiplication of 1, so it will be 6 into 1 6. Clear? So what will you do? First you will take the LCM of the number, after that open the bracket using the help of distributive property. So 6m as it is, minus 3 into m 3m and minus minus it will be plus. Okay, outside number is also negative and inside is also negative, so minus minus when you will do the multiplication of same the signs, so it will be positive. So minus 3 into minus 1 it will be plus 3, plus 2 into m 2m minus 2 plus 2 you will multiply, it will be minus 4 is equal to 1 into 6, 6 will go in the right hand side, so it will come in multiplication. So 6 into 1 it will be 6. Now simple you have to solve this equation. So first equate the m variable, 6m minus 3m, 3m plus 2m it will be 5m, minus 3 plus 4, so you will get minus 1 is equal to 6. So 5m will be equal to 6, 1 you will take right hand side, so it will be 7. So 5m is equal to 6 plus 1 7 and m will be equal to 7. 5 will come in right hand side, so it will come in division. So it will be 7 upon 5. Clear? M will be equal to 7 by 5. So beta, how will you solve? Simple. I have already told you we have already done 5 questions. So 6th question we have started. First step you have to check what is the variable in this question. Second step, so you will take all the variable values one side and all the constant values another side. Third step, you have to take the LCM of the numbers because the number is given in the form of numerator upon denominator, so you will take the LCM of the number. After taking LCM, simply you will open the bracket using the help of distributive property. You will get a simple linear equation and you will take all the variable values one side, constant values another side, and after that you will find out the value of the variable. So simply it will be m is equal to 7 by 5. Is it clear, beta? Now next question. Next question, simplify and solve the following linear equation. Okay, simplify and solve the following linear equation. Question number 7. Question number 7. Simplify and solve the linear equation. 3 into t minus 3. 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t plus 1. Clear? Is equal to 5 into 2t plus 1. So simply in this equation also you can check first what is the variable. So t variable is given. So first here it is given in the distributive property. Okay, so first you have to open the distributive property and open the equation. Okay, so 3 into t it will be 3t minus 3 into 3 9 is equal to 5 into 2t it will be 10t plus 5 into 1 you will get 5. Clear? Now simple linear equation. Okay, both side variable is given. So what will you do? Second step, you will take all the variable one side. So it will be 3t 10t you will take left hand side, so it will be minus 10t is equal to 5 is already left and right hand side, 9 you will take right hand side, so it will be plus 9. Clear? Now 3t minus 10t, so it will be beta minus 70, because one positive one negative number when you are adding, so plus minus it will be minus, it means you will subtract the number, but what will be the sign? Sign will be the greater number sign. Okay, so it is minus 70 is equal to 9 plus 5, so you will get 14. Clear? So t will be equal to 14 and divide by minus 7 you will take in division, so it will be 7 2s are 14, 2 divided by minus 1, it means it will be minus 2, so t is equal to minus. Clear? So simply first what will you do? You will open the bracket, okay, because it is not given in numerator upon denominator form, simply the bracket is given, so first you will open the bracket, so it will be 3t minus 9 is equal to 5 to the 10t plus 5. Now second step, you have already solved this type equation when the variable is given both the sides, left hand side and right hand side. So simply equate the variables values, you will take all one side and all the constant values another side. So 3t minus 10t you will get minus 70 is equal to 9 plus 5 you will get 14. Now t will be equal to 14 divided by minus 7 will come in division. So you will cancel out and it will be minus 2. So t will be equal to minus 2. Is it clear? Simple question. Now question number 8. Clear beta? Okay. Question number 8. Question number 8. So what is question number 8? 15 into y minus 4. 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, plus 5 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. So 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. So simplify and solve the linear equation. Clear beta? So what will you do in this equation? So simply first step, you will open the bracket. Okay, first step you will open the bracket. So 15 into y, it will be 15y minus 15 into 4, 16 minus 2 into y, 2y. Now outside minus, inside minus, so it will be plus, and 2 9s are 18 plus 5 into y, 5y plus 5 into 6, it will be 30. Okay, clear? So is equal to 0. Okay, now you can see in this equation all the variable and constant values are together. Okay, so first you will equate all the variable values. Okay beta, so first it is given 15y minus 2y. Okay, so it will be 13y, 13 plus 5y, so it will be 18y. Clear? Now minus 60 plus 18 plus 30, so minus 60 plus 30 you will get minus 30 and plus 18 is equal to 0. Now 18y minus, what will you get? Minus plus minus, so 30 minus 18, 2 and 1, 12 is equal to 0. So 18y will be equal to 12, you will take right hand side. Clear? Now y will be equal to 12 divided by 18. You can cancel out by 6. 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. So it will be 2 by 3. So you can say what will be the value of y. So it will be 2 by 3. Clear? So simply first what will you do in this type of question beta? Okay, first you will open the bracket, right? Question is given in the bracket. So using the help of distributive property, first you will open the bracket. So 15 into y, 15y minus 15 into 4, 60 minus 2y minus minus plus 2 9s are 18 plus 5y plus 5 6 are 30 is equal to 0. Clear? Now second step, you will equate the variable. So 15y minus 2y you will get 13y, 13 plus 5 you will get 18y. Okay, minus 60 plus 18 plus 30. So minus 60 plus 30 you will get minus 30 and plus 18 is equal to 0. Now 18y minus 30 plus 18 you will get minus 12 is equal to 0. Now 12 you will take right hand side. So 18y is equal to 12 and y will be equal to 12 by 18. So you can cancel out by 6. 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. So what will be the value of y? It will be 2 by 3. Clear? So simple linear equations are given. So how will you solve this type of equation? First you will open the bracket using the help of distributive property. After that after the multiplication you will get a linear equation. So in this equation first you will equate all the variable values, after that all the constant values. After that variable value one side, constant value one side, and after that find out the value of the variable. Clear? So y will be equal to 2/3. Next question. Question number 9. Question number 9. Okay. So what is question number 9, beta? 3 into 5z minus 7. 3 into 5z minus 7. 3 into 5z minus 7. Minus 2 into 9z minus 11. Minus 2 into 9z minus 11. Okay. Minus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8z minus 13. Equal to 4 into 8z minus 13. Okay. And last number, what is given, beta? 8z minus 13 minus 17. Minus 17. Clear? So first check what is the question. So simply it is given 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 and minus 17. So simplify the equation. Okay, so first you can check in this equation, beta, what is the variable in this equation. So z variable, and when question is given in brackets like that, so what will you do? First step, you will open the bracket with the help of distributive property. So open the bracket. So 3 5s are 15 z minus 3 7s are 21 minus 2 into 9 18 z minus minus plus 2 into 11 it will be 22 is equal to, here also you will open the bracket. So 4 into 8 32 z minus 13 into 4 52 and minus 17. Clear? Now you are getting a linear equation where both the sides, left hand side and right hand side, variable is given. So what will you do? The next step, all the variable values one side. So 15z minus 18z already left hand side. Now 32z you will take. So minus 32z is equal to minus 52 minus 17. Here minus 21 you will take left hand side, right hand side. So it will be plus 21 and minus 22. Clear? So all the variable values we have taken one side and constant values one side. Now equate them. So 15 minus 18. So what will you get here? Minus 3z and minus 32z is equal to, equate them also. So it will be minus minus plus. So minus 9 and 6, and here plus 21 minus 22. So minus 1. Clear? Now beta, equate them. It will be minus 32 minus 3. So 35z is equal to minus 69 minus 1. So minus minus plus. So 69 plus 1 you will get 70. Okay. But what is the greater number sign? Greater number sign is negative. So it will be minus 70. Clear? Now z will be equal to minus 70. 35 minus 35 you will take right hand side. So it will come in division. Clear? Now minus and minus cancel out, and 35 2s are 70. So you are getting is equal to 2. So what will be the value of z? So you can say z will be equal to 2. Clear? So how will you solve this type of equation? So first step, I have told you, when it is not given in numerator upon denominator form, so simply you will open the equation with the help of distributive property. So first you will open the bracket. 3 into 5z 15z minus 3 into 7 21 minus 2 into 9 18z minus minus plus 2 into 11 22 4 into 8z 32z and minus 13 into 4 52 minus 70. Clear? Now next step, what will you do, beta? All the variable you can take one side and constant values other side. So it will be 15z minus 18z 32z. If you will take left hand side, so it will be subtracted, is equal to minus 52 minus 17 22 you will take right hand side, so it will be subtracted, and minus it will be positive. Okay. Now next step, equate them simple. So 15z minus 18. So one positive, one negative. So plus minus minus, it means 18 minus 15 you will get 3z, and it will be negative because the greater number is 18 and sign of this is negative sign. Minus 32z is equal to this one and this one, minus minus plus, so it will be minus 69 plus 21 minus 22, it will be minus 1. Clear? Now 3 and 32 minus minus plus, so it will be 35, but greater number is 32, so sign will be negative. Here also minus minus plus, so 69 plus 1, it will be 70, but greater number is 69, so sign will be also negative. Now minus 35 z is equal to minus 70, so z will be equal to minus 70 minus 35, you will take right hand side, so it will be incoming division, so cancel out minus minus and 35 to the 70, so you are getting here z is equal to 2. So what is the value of the variable? So here z variable is given and value of z is equal to 2. Clear? Is it clear, beta? Okay, fine. One more question. Last question is left, so we will complete last question also. Question number 10. Question number 10. What is question number 10? 0.25 into 4f minus 3. Okay. 0.25 into 4f minus 3. Clear? Now is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. Okay, 0.05 into 10f minus 9. Okay, so question is given 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. So what will you do? You have to solve this linear equation, simple reducible equation in simplest form. So simply you can see, beta, what is the variable in this question? So simply you can see f variable is given. Okay, what is this? This one is f. Clear? This one is f. Okay, so f variable is given. So first step you can see equation is given like that. Okay, in brackets. So simply you will open the bracket with the help of distributive property. So 0.25 into 4. So you will get, beta, 25 4s are 100. Okay, and after 2 number you can put decimal. So it will be 1.00 and f is already given with that. So it will be f. Okay, minus next step what is given? 25 multiply 3, so you will get 75, and after 2 decimal when you will put the point, so it will be 0.75. Same right hand side also you will open the bracket, so 5 into 10 you will get 50, and after 2 number you will put the decimal and it will be f. F is given with that, so you will take the f also. Okay, after that negative sign, so you will put as it is. 9 into 0.05, it will be 45. After 2 number you will put the decimal and 0. Clear? So you can see here after 2 number it is given the decimal. So when you are multiplying that also, after multiplication also you will do the decimal, you will put the decimal after 2 numbers. Okay, so here 1.00, it will be 0.75, 0.50 and 0.45. Now you can see both the sides. Okay, left hand side and right hand side, both the sides f variable is given. So what will you do the next step? Simply you will take all the variable values one side. Okay, so it will be 1.00 f minus 0.50 f is equal to minus 0.45 and 0.75 you will take right hand side, so it will be positive 0.75. Clear? Now 1.00 minus 0.50 you will subtract it, so it will be 0.50 f. Okay, you will get 0.50 f. Okay, because 1.00 and 0.50 you are subtracting, so 0, 10 minus 5, 5 and it will be 0, so 0.50. Clear? Now is equal to 0.75 minus 45, 0.45. So subtract that. So 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 4, 3, and 0.30. Okay, so because this is greater value, so 0.75 minus 0.45, so greater value minus smaller value, so you will get the positive number, it will be 0.30. Okay, now simply you will get the value, you will find out the value of f. Clear? So it will be 0.50 upon 0.30. Clear? Now simply 10 you can cancel out, so it will be 0.5 divided by 0.3. Clear? Now 0.5 divided by 0.3, it means you can, when you are removing the decimal, okay, when you are removing the decimal, so how will you remove it? It will be after decimal one number is given, it means 5 also you will divide by 10 and 3 also you will divide by 10. And when the form is given like that, so what will you do? It will be the reciprocal, so it will be 10 by 3. So 10 and 10 cancel out, what is left? 5 by 3. It means f is equal to 5 by 3. Okay, f is equal to 5 by 3. If answer is given like that only, so you can leave here. Okay. Sorry. One mistake. Okay, sorry. F will be equal to not 0.50 upon 30. It will be 0.30. Right hand side is give this and 0.50 is in multiplication beta. So it will come in division. So it will be 0.50. Clear? Now you can cancel out. So it will be 0.3 upon 0.5. And when you are removing the decimal, so it will be 3 by 10 and divide by 5 by 10. So reciprocal. So what is left? 3 upon 5. Clear? So value of f is equal to 3 upon 5. So if answer is given up to here, you can give here. If it is given in points, so you can divide it. 3 will not divide by 5. So you will put 1 0 and decimal. So it will be 30. 5 6 yeah, 30. Okay. So it will be 0.6. What is the value of f? So it is 0.6. Clear? So simple in this question also, what will you do beta? First step, it is given 0.25 into 4f minus 3, 0.05 into 10f minus 9. So first step, you will simply open the brackets. So 0.25 into 4f, so it will be 25 into 400. After 2 number, you will put the decimal, so it will be 1.00. F minus 25 into 3, 75. So after 2 number, you will put the decimal, so it will be 0.75. 5 into 10, 50, so 0.50 f. 5 into 9, 45, so it will be 0.45. Now f variable you will take one side, so it is already given this side, you will take this one left hand side, so it will be subtracted, is equal to minus 0.45, 0.75 you will take right hand side, so it will be added. Now 1.00 minus 0.50, so it you will get 0.50, f is equal to, when you will subtract 0.45 from 0.75, so it will be 0.30. Clear? Now next step, what will be the value of f? You have to find the value of the variable also. So f will be equal to 0.30 divided by 0. This one is in multiplication left hand side, so you will take right hand side, so it will come in division. So it will be 0.30 divided by 0.50. So 10 you can cancel out. So what is left with us? 0.3 upon 0.5. Now you can remove the decimal, so it will be 3 by 10. After decimal one number is given, so you will divide by 10 means 10, and this one also 5 by 10, reciprocal, 3 by 10 into 10 by 5, so it will be 3 upon 5. And 3 by 5, how will you solve? You can divide it, otherwise you can leave here. So 3 by 5, it will not divide by 5, 3 is smaller number, so you will take 10 and decimal. After that you can take here 0, so 5 6 yeah, 30. So what will be the value of f beta? So it will be 0.6. Value of f will be 0.6. Clear? Is it clear beta? So in this exercise you have to solve the reducible equation to simplest form. Means equations are given. Some equations are given in the form of numerator upon denominator. Some equations are given in the form of simple linear equation and within bracket. Okay. So when it is given in the form of numerator upon denominator, so simply first you will take all the variable values one side and you will take the LCM of the numbers and you will get a linear equation and you can solve this equation, and after that you will find out the value of the variable. But when the question and equation is given like that, okay, equation is given like that, in brackets it is given, so what will you do beta? So simply first step, you will open the bracket with the help of distributive property. With the help of distributive property means, for example, distributive, what is distributive property? Distributive property is A into B plus C. Okay, what is distributive property? So A into B plus C is given. So how will you open this bracket? So first you will multiply, outside number is given, this one, both the numbers are inside. Okay, so first you will multiply first number by first inside numbers. So it will be A into B, AB. After that you will check what is the sign. Okay, so sign is addition, so you will put the same sign as it is. After that first number you will multiply by last number also. So A into C, it will be AC. Clear? At the place of addition it is given its subtraction. Okay, at the place of addition if it is given subtraction, so A into B minus C, when you will open, so same, first you will multiply A by B, so it will be AB. After that subtraction sign as it is, you will multiply A by C, so it will be AC. Clear? So in some questions you will use the distributive property and you will open the bracket with the help of distributive property. So first you will multiply this by first number and after that second number, same here also. Is it clear? So like that you have to complete this exercise 2.5. It is very simple exercise. Only simple linear reducible equations is given. You have to reduce it and find out the simpler form, and after that find out the value of the variable. Clear beta? So you have to complete this exercise in your fair notebook. If you have any doubt, so you have to join the Zoom class for the doubt session. Clear? I will clear all your doubts at Zoom class. Okay, if you have any doubt, and personally also you can message me if you have any doubt in any questions. So that was all about today beta. Tomorrow we will start our next exercise. Thank you so much all.